What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? This is George Anthony Johnson, aka Disciple Tony, and this is the official site of Set Hearts to Purpose, as well as War Media. And so I'm excited that you guys are here, guys. And so we're going to do a quick, just a quick review of how to, use the site, use this first home page here. So that's our logo. John 4:23. Go look that up in the Word of God. We are a faith-based organization. We have this video right here that you can watch so you can kind of get an understanding. I'm just kind of showing you the page as we go. So this kind of gives you an about us, what we do for at-risk youth here in the Houston area, and how we do business as well. And so it's a great opportunity, guys, for you guys to be a part of some cause-related marketing. But here's the thing I wanted to get to. Here is our media and digital marketing services. So we do business to support our mission. So we got some great business products. Number one being the Warrior Concert and Community Magazine. If you're on this page, undoubtedly you probably already heard about it. You probably got a call from me, or maybe drive up. Came into your shop, and so we want to be the king of mom and pop. So our Concert and Community Magazine is a magazine full of great nonprofits, superstars in the community, also small mom and pop shops, businesses, restaurants, tire shops, eye stores, things of that nature. And so, guys, we want you guys to be a part of this. We want you to take off with us. We're going to be a digital publication first, meaning we'll be able to distribute to plenty a vast crowd of people, because we'll do it digitally, and also we'll have these digital distribution cards that we saturate the Houston market with, where people can download the magazine right on their phone, right? So you got more information on this page. If you just click the little link next to each one of these, it's going to take you to the page with all of the sales information, pricing, the packages, things of that nature. Once you see something that you like, hopefully you do, keep in mind that once you do make a purchase, it does support Set Hearts to Purpose, Inc. And like I said, we are a faith-based nonprofit dedicated to the mentorship of at-risk youth through faith, through arts, and also through entrepreneurship. And so we like to teach these skills to the youth, but we can't teach entrepreneurship if we're not entrepreneurs ourselves. And so a lot of these products are tailor-made for the business community here in Houston. We got the digital ad marketing magazine. We got digital marketing where we do Facebook marketing, Google AdWords. We can also do Bing for you. We have the War mobile app, which is a customized application tailored for your brand. So we will customize you an app. We will build your app completely ready for iOS as well as Google. All you got to do with iOS is pay the publishing fees. With Google, it's free. So you'll have a customized app based off of your website where your clients can download that app, and now you plant your flag on their mobile phone. Then we also offer business credit and funding, guys. We got some vendors for that. So each one of these products, we got a team of people that we work with to get these things done. All right, guys, and they're great products. And last but not least, we got the music and concert sponsors, which is really in-house, and we kind of do that by case basis. We are artists and musicians, so we do live concerts, stage plays, shows with music and things of that nature. So that gives you an opportunity to be a part of t-shirt branding, CDs and album covers, and things of that nature, guys. So take your time, click each one of these links, learn more, and if you're ready to take action, please reach out to us. Our contact information will be on this page as well as the pages that you're going to be taken to. Here's a few of our events that we're doing. A networking event on February. We got a little music that we do, inspirational gospel music, and these are just a few inspirational shots of what we've already taken place, have already done. So great things going on, guys. This was just a 5-minute video. Hey man, check out this page, click these links. Like I said, go back to our digital media services, and click these links. And if you're ready to order, it'll be a button on that page. If you want to come back to the website, it'll be a button for you to do that. God bless you. This was George Anthony Johnson once again, aka Disciple Tony, and this is Set Hearts to Purpose Inc., as well as War Media LLC. And God bless you. We're looking forward to you guys being a part of our business community. Hopefully we can find a medium ground and have a relationship and we will give your business maximum exposure in everything we do. God bless you guys.